Welcome back to Handpanery. It is week 4. I'm just going to throw at you a really nice little fill, quick video today, and then I invite you to explore on your own how you can put that into practice. And this fill is this. So we're moving up the scale in groups of 3, so we get that kind of triplet feel almost, and then we just come back down the scale in a group of 4, landing in this case on the home note so that it feels like it's completed quite nicely. So what we need to do first is place our thumb and our middle finger of our right hand on note 1 and 3, and with our left we've got our thumb on note 2. I'm just going to play these 3 notes. From here, we then strike with the left hand. So we've got the thumb and the middle finger on note 2 and 4 on the left hand, and then whatever finger feels comfortable for you on note 3 on the right hand. And then we've got this group of 3 notes. Put those together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to bring it up another step. So then we lead with the right on the next group of 3. So thumb, finger, like this. Again, always practicing that rotation. Left hand on note 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we have 3 sets of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we have one more, which is left, right, left, thumb, finger, finger, thumb, finger, finger. And that's the first half of that little fill. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can practice as well. I'm practicing with different ways rather than only rotating. I'm experimenting with different ways of playing on my right hand. Now I'm introducing notes in different places to make the melody sound a little bit different. Anyway, I'm already digressing and experimenting, but the basics of it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then from here, I'm going to bring that right hand up once more for note 7. Yep. And then we're just going to come walking down the scale 4 notes, 1 note at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. As simple as that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put that all together. We've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole fill. Extended fill. Usually we have fills just kind of within one beat right at the end of a bar, but this fills up, if you want it to, it can fill up a whole bar, right? So when you start to put that in context, if you double time that, then it takes up half as much space. So then you can squeeze it into 1/2 of a whole bar. And I'm going to slow the whole thing down in order to do that. I'm just adding lots of different texture and variations to what is a simple groove. It's basically dum, ga, go, boom, boom, ga, dum, ga, go, boom, boom, ga. Simple rock beat. But then I'm adding some different things. Remember last week we talked about using different textures, different ways to manipulate the sound. Those are the kind of things that I'm throwing in there to make that groove more interesting. That's why it sounds more intricate than it actually is. It's just a simple rock beat, throwing in that fill every now and then. I invite you to choose your favourite groove and add that fill in and see how you can liven it up and make it sound fun and exciting. Alright, I'll see you next time.